Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah, and welcome back to this. I think I already said that, but hello again. Welcome to this channel that is barely surviving, that belongs to me, and today we're going to discuss something not so new that I'm going to do this year. I'm drinking LaCroix, by the way. Yes. You ever seen those memes that say that like bubbly waters are like drinking TV static? Love it. So today I'm going to be discussing the fact that I'm going to try to do a no-buy. Well, I'm not going to try to do it. I'm going to do it. It's just the duration of time that I'm going to do this no-buy. I'm not quite sure yet. I know I want to do at least 3 months for sure, see how I feel, and then maybe do 6 months and potentially do a whole year. We'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to jump into why I want to do this and how I'm going to do it. Let's just break out our notebook and just kidding. I'm unorganized and I can't use that. So we're not gonna buy anything and do replacements only. I know that sounds kind of like off the cuff and you're just like, you're gonna fail. I probably will. So I want to show you my eyeshadow palette box, and this is why I'm like, girl, we need to stop. Ugh. Oh my god. Look at this whole bin. This whole bin of eyeshadows and stuff that I have not touched in months. So I used to live in an apartment, you know, with like an actual solid floor and like a foundation. I now am back in my trailer. My trailer is very small. This bin is like putting us over the damn weight limit, man. It's so heavy. There's so much eyeshadow in here, and that's just the eyeshadow. I have a whole bin full of foundations and brushes, a whole another bin filled with backups and eyelashes. So I decided that for 2019, I was going to do a no-buy. I've done a low-buy before for a few months, and even like the last few months, my purchases have been less and less. I went through this really weird phase this time last year where I bought a lot of eyeshadow palettes because I had purged a lot of stuff when we were in the trailer the first time. So I had one like shoebox size bin of makeup, that was it. And then I had room again and we had some extra spending money, so you know, I was bored and so I ended up spending money like an irresponsible adult that I am. But those days are over now. Thank the Lord, I've had some intervention in my life. But yeah, the last few months my spending habits have been a lot less than what they used to be. They're still not super great. I definitely buy things that I don't need, as my husband would be very, very quick to tell you. I don't need all these things. I have a lot of eyeshadow. I like eyeshadow. It's my favorite part of makeup. But I don't need this much. I am not starting a business doing eyeshadows or anything crazy. Obviously, as you can see from my eye look today, I'm not that good. I enjoy experimenting. As I said in my previous video, it's for me an experimentation and creativity on my face. And it's easy to do, it's fun to do, I like to wear it, I enjoy wearing it out. There's a plane over my trailer. We're just gonna wait. Yeah, I don't know what I was saying, but I have a lot of eyeshadow, I have a lot of makeup, and I don't have any kind of profession, and the YouTube is like, it's a hobby, this is all a hobby. So it's like, why do I have so much? And why do I keep buying stuff that I definitely already own? So that's the gist of it. My last order is actually coming in today. I ordered a dry brush, which isn't really makeup, and I ordered a new eyeshadow primer. Everybody else and their mom is doing a no-buy right now on YouTube, and I figured it's a good time to do it when there's a lot of people doing it. There's a big community on YouTube doing no-buys. I'll link down a few people that I enjoy watching down below who are also doing no-buy years, and they all have so much more structure than I do. This is literally just, I'm realizing that the reason I buy makeup is because I'm bored. And I have decided this year to do a few online courses and endeavor to do some new creative outlets, I guess is the word you could use, a few projects, side projects, and to just work on, do some more biblical studies this year. And so I want to put my energy in other places than just being bored. Like I do a lot at home. We are still trying to finish renovating the trailer that we're currently in, so it's like that's an ongoing project, but I want to make sure that my efforts are expanded into more intellectual fields. So that's what I'm going to be doing instead of, you know, sitting on my phone all day buying makeup. I'm going to be doing some courses, some writing. We'll see how that goes. But this is basically me introducing at least 3 months of no buy. See how it goes. Like I said, I might do longer. It's super duper unstructured, but this is also to intro. I want to just do a 2-part declutter, probably eyeshadow and then everything else, because most of my collection is eyeshadow palettes, and I have some quite unique eyeshadow palettes that I have not done any videos on yet. So I wanted to share those and go through those, because there's stuff in that bin that I have not touched, I think, like since I bought them. I have like probably 12 different foundations, and I don't use like half of them. They're not even like the right formula or shade or undertone or something for me. So we have a lot of decluttering to do. Plus, like I said back in the trailer, this is taking up half the trailer weight by itself. So I need to get rid of some makeup. I feel good. I feel really positive about it. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm not doing any other like skincare no buy, because for the most part, for my skincare, I sorted through so many skincare products in the last like year and a half that I know it works for my skin, and I do have a plethora of different products that do specific things that I know I use. So I'm not including skincare or like homewares in this no buy. It's a strictly makeup no buy for me. So I'm very excited. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy. I hope to do more like tutorials or experimentations and creativity on my face instead of just reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Do not forget to subscribe down below and leave a comment if you're doing a no buy, or if you think I'm crazy and I need more structure in my life, which I probably do, so I'd agree with you. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, tastes like TV static. Do you like my flamingo? It's literally January 4th. It's like the middle of winter, and I have a flamingo on my LaCroix.